In this video, we'll be covering how to email an invoice. First, you'll need to create the invoice. If you're not sure how to create an invoice, there are videos linked in the description below. Once your invoice is created, you can save it to your desired location by clicking the Save as PDF button in the lower right. Once you've saved it to your local drive or cloud, go back to work and click on the email link in the upper right. If you've chosen to send your emails through work and you have email templates set up, you can select from them now. If you're not sure how to use email templates, there are videos linked in the description below. You can also simply choose to manually type in the content of your email. Once your email is complete, click on the Add Attachments section to browse and find your invoice. Select the invoice, click Open, and when you're ready to send the email, click the Send button at the bottom. Note that you can attach multiple files if needed. Your invoice's email activity can be viewed by clicking the Email tab on the left-hand side. Note that if you've selected to send emails through your own email client, such as Gmail or Outlook, you won't be able to view your email history within work. And that's all the information you'll need to know to email an invoice. If you need assistance, our awesome support team is always glad to help. We can be reached at 800-558-3054 or by emailing VCGSupport at vcgcorporate.com.